Can you move it back?
Back?
Hmm? Back step? Yeah.
Reverse. Yeah, it was going back.
Ah, you did.
Like this.
It
Yeah.
always puts the hands down before walking. It always puts the hands down before walking.
Yeah, but I had the button for lock. If you lock it, so it will not put the hands down. Like hands open. It's locked, so it will not.
Chasing someone.
And I'm accessing the two joints of the shoulder and two joints of the elbow edge. Like it's up and down movement. They're inside and outside. And with this, the button it will switch the movement. So now it can go there.
And there's no risk that you try to bring it into a position you don't like. You can't. The idea is, can you break it by performing a movement?
Try.
No, because it's changing.
Well, we have we have another robot, so who cares?
Didn't Amy break that one?
Who, Amy?
Yeah, she said she broke the other one.
No. Wait, someone broke something, but now it's repaired. So.
So where's the...
Whoa. So I thought he was going to fall backwards there.
Oh, you see when the...
Now, was that him balancing himself when the arms came down, or was he walking backwards?
I don't
He was
know.
walking back.
But it
So
looks
it
like
was,
the
okay.
thumbs are hitting
Yeah,
the...
the thumbs are hitting the thighs.
Is this a stable one?
You're hitting now, too.
Hey guys, can you close the hands because the thumbs are hitting the legs.
The legs, yeah.
Don't tell me.
Pressing
No, don't tell me.
Is it just
There you
binary
go.
open close, or can you open it a little bit?
No, it's open. So I use the function for a little bit of it. It works in choreograph, but I don't know in creative open.
Quite cool.
Did I not tell you?
And you can do continuous movement.
You can.
So if I go from here to going left,
No, this
this,
stop.
I have to stop and
Well, we have to work on this, I think, a bit more. For continuous movement.